wireless earbuds are seemingly all the rage right now. Every manufacturer has their own version, and there are companies out there that have been created just to cash in on the new tech trend. Libratone aren't one of them though. They have a long Danish history in wireless speakers and more traditional headphones, so of course, already being in the audio game, they'd make their own set, and wow, do they look pretty spectacular. The Libratone Track Air Plus headphones look very sleek, with a wing type shape coming from the bottom of them. They use rubber earbuds to ensure some decent noise isolation from the outside world, and there are a number of sizes to choose from for optimal comfort. I personally like the biggest version or the biggest style of earbud because they fit the nicest in my very large ears. One key feature here is that the Libratone Track Air Plus headphones use smart noise cancelling technology too, whereas the standard Track Air headphones don't. This is a huge bonus if you love uninterrupted music, or if you're like me who gets the train to work every morning. The droning noise of the track is hugely reduced. There are 2 touch buttons on either headphone, which are small and quite hard to get right if you're not used to where to find it. Being touch sensitive and flush to the earbuds don't really help either. 2 taps on the left earbud switch between play, pause, and the right changed the noise cancellation technology from ambient to manual. Now notice I mentioned smart noise cancelling earlier. This gives users a chance to set their noise cancellation manually, or for the headphones to record any ambient noise that's set and set that in place instead. Now to be honest though, the noise cancelling isn't the best and is a far cry from that of the over-ear headphones like the Bose QC35-2s. There's also a wear detect sensor which detects when you remove the earbuds and shuts off the music, and this will save you precious battery life in the long run. There is a 6-hour battery for the earbuds though, and 24 hours worth of battery for the case, which will give you around 3 or so fresh charges of your actual earbuds. Now the setup was simple enough, but does require the Libratone app, which is available on iOS and Android. At the time we were using a Google Pixel 4 XL for the review. Now I logged in using Facebook, though you can set up a separate account if so desired. Now, as soon as I did log in, the app detected the headphones right away and added it as a tile on the home screen, similar to what you can see from the Zip speaker that we reviewed. Now, do note that you can control other Libratone devices using the same app, like their wireless speakers like the Zip 2 Mini that we reviewed not too long ago, and there will be a card up the top somewhere for that. So during the initial setup, I was prompted to hit the pairing button just underneath the indicator light on the case, which made the white light rapidly flash, and clicked next on the app. I was then told to first pair the left earbud from my Bluetooth menu, which followed by my phone automatically pairing to the right earbud. And this is where it really hung for a while, and nothing really seemed to happen other than my phone telling me it was pairing to the headphones. I restarted the app, went through the steps again, and it worked. Now there's no telling why the first time wasn't successful for me and it just hung on that pairing screen, but the second time it worked. Now in terms of audio quality, the Libratone Track Air Plus are missing some pretty essential mid-range frequencies. Generally speaking, the upper tones are all nice and clear, snare drum hits are pretty powerful while vocals shine through over the top of music. Slash's solo at the end of November Rain, mixed in with Axl Rose's cries, were all very well separated, and the Beastie Boys' intergalactic bass line, once it drops into the intro, comes in strong. But it almost feels as if the low and high frequencies muddy the midtones. Vocals do feel very sharp, especially at higher volumes, and aren't as full sounding compared to other wireless earbuds on the market. There's presets for the EQ as well, which we were switching between neutral, bass lift, and there is also a treble lift as well if you so desire that. Personally though, bass lift here is the best for sure. The case isn't bad and is one of the smallest wireless headphone cases that I've seen on the market at the moment. It unfortunately lacks some refinement that we've seen from true wireless headphones of late, like the JBL True 120 TWS, again a card up the top there for you. It's made from plastic with a softer touch coating, and there doesn't seem to be much magnetic force to seal the door. It's enough to keep it closed at least, but maybe not enough to keep it sealed if dropped. The headphones themselves do sit very well inside the actual case itself and secured with magnets. There is a single indicator light to tell us how much charge is left in the case, but this is positioned on the inside and will flash when charging or show a solid white light when it's charging the earbuds. The Libratone Track Air Plus headphones are an alright pair of earbuds, but they're not mind-blowing. There's some decent clarity to your music, and for specific genres like classical or even maybe some jazz music, this could work quite well. Even the bass is thumpy enough to satisfy those bass heads out there, but if you're wanting a little more mid-range detail, there are other headphones on the market that can satisfy your needs. So thank you very much for checking out our video review of the Libratone Track Air Plus wireless, true wireless earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, then do click that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos. And also let us know in the comments below what you think about these headphones, whether you would go for a true wireless set of headphones or you would stick to active noise cancellation over-ear headphones like we've seen from Bose or Sony, Bowers and Wilkins. Also, we are streaming now on Mixer 3 times a week on a Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday from 8:30 PM British time. That's GMT. If you did want to send us a message over there, come and watch us stream, or just come and hang out and have discussions about tech, we will be streaming over there 3 days a week. There is also a podcast that we now record once a week that you can find on your favourite podcasting apps, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, everything like that, so you can find that as well. There will be links in the description to both the Mixer channel and our podcasting and our podcast, TechNuovo Talks. Check it out. As I say, thanks very much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.